Module 8, GitHub integration. Claude reviews your PRs, responds to issues, and runs in your CI pipeline. Setting up GitHub integration takes about 2 minutes. Step 1, type /install GitHub app in Claude Code. This walks you through authorizing Claude on your GitHub repos. Step 2, 2 GitHub actions are automatically generated. One for @Claude mentions, where you can tag Claude in issues and PRs, and one for automatic code review on every new pull request. That's it. 2 minutes. Now every PR gets reviewed by Claude automatically. The workflow files live in .github/workflows. You can customize them, change which events trigger Claude, what permissions it has, which branches it watches. And if you have MCP servers set up, they work in GitHub Actions too, but every single MCP tool must be explicitly listed in the workflow permissions. There's no wildcard option. You list each tool by name. So what does Claude actually look for in a PR review? Security issues, hard-coded API keys, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, overly permissive file permissions, PII exposure, like we saw in the demo with the S3 bucket, infrastructure problems, Terraform misconfigurations, S3 bucket ACLs, IAM policies that are too broad, Lambda functions with too much access, code quality, unused imports, type mismatches, performance issues, missing error handling, style violations that your linter might miss, documentation gaps, functions without descriptions, outdated comments, missing README updates. And it doesn't just flag issues, it explains why something is a problem and suggests a fix. This S3 bucket has public red ACL, but contains user PII. Change to private and add server-side encryption. That's not a linting rule. That's understanding context across multiple files and reasoning about data flow. The second mode is @Claude mentions. You tag @Claude in any issue or PR comment, and Claude reads the context and responds. @Claude, can you implement the feature described in this issue? Claude reads the issue, understands the requirement, creates a PR with the implementation. But Claude, why is this test failing? Claude reads the test, the code it's testing, recent changes, and explains the root cause. @Claude, review this approach and suggest alternatives. Claude analyzes the code and gives feedback with specific alternatives. It's like having a senior developer on call 24/7 who responds in minutes, reads every file before answering, and never forgets the project context. Module 8, GitHub integration /install GitHub app to set up, auto review on every PR, @Claude for on-demand help in issues and PRs. Claude catches security issues, infrastructure problems, code quality, and documentation gaps, not just linting actual reasoning about your code, your mission. If you have a GitHub repo, run /install GitHub app and set up auto review. Create a test PR and see what Claude catches. If you don't have a repo yet, bookmark this for when you do. Go do the thing.